Are you being annoyed by the Rtutils Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To kick off the Rtutils library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Rtutils library, the routing utilities library. It provides unmanaged localized helper routines for localized system-level, localized networking, and localized event logging within the localized Windows routing and localized remote access stack. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Because Rtutils Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Rtutils library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Warning: Rtutils library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Rtutils library references. Thank you for trusting us with Rtutils library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.